Gayon lang po tayo as always. Okay, be ready and now, play number 4. Play number 4. Play number 2. Play number 2. Exhibition. Play number 1. Play number 1 to the exhibition.
Oo nga.
Play number 5. Play number 5 to the exhibition. Dribble the ball.
Guess mo tayo artista.
Play number 5. Play number 5. Play number 4. Play number 4 to the exhibition. To the all. Play number 3. Play number 3 to the exhibition. Dribble the ball. To the Player number 2. Player number 2 to the spaghetti ball.
Copyright din naman eh.
Play number 1. Play number 1. Play number 5. Play number 5. Play number 5. Exhibition. Dribble the ball. Play number 1. Play number 1 to the Play number 3. Play number 3.
Nalobat kasi ako. Nalobat.
Spaghetti ball. Play number 5. Play number 5. Play number 2. Player number 2. Player number 2 to the
Oh, naka-live.
Play number 3. Player number 3. Shoot that ball.
Ay.
Alright.
Ayan na.
Alright, congratulations indeed! Bye bye! At dahil dyan, may consequences ang team! Baby up! Kaya ba nila claim your prize? Wait lang po.
Pwede. Sabihan mo na si Dina. Teka lang. Sige, ano lang kayo? Anong oras ba ka? 8? 7, 8. Picture mo lang.
Yan, tag-isa din po kayo. Ayan, thank you so much. And now, Team Baby Love, dito kayo sa harap. Ay, hindi tayo ni Mapalay dahil natalo kayo. May consequence kayo.
Naka-live din ako.
May consequence. Ayan, anak ng palay kayo. Ayan, dahil natalo kayo. Ayan.
Naka-live.
Sasayaw kayo. Sasayaw kayo ulit. Ayan. Grabe. May ano kayo performance today. Ayan, maganda yan. Okay, go. Be ready. And go.
Nagpa-party sila for me. Nagpa-party. Ngayon na sila nagkita-kita.
Don't just sweat it, baby, it's alright. You dancing through the light. So sleepless in the honest night.
Oy!
Skies open light.
Ayan, dahil dyan, may mga prize pa. May prize kayo. Siyempre, sumayaw kayo eh. Okay na, for our last game, let's go, is Bring Me. Ayan,
Oy, bring me
po.
daw, bring me.
Gusto
ko yung mga bring me.
Pag sinabi po ni Ate Teen na, bring me a thing that starts with a letter. For example, letter A, bibigyan mo ako ng things. Bagay lang po na wala pong pagkain. Okay po. Be ready. Bring me a thing that starts, ayan, marunong pong Tagalog or English po.
Pabaya
Bring
ka
me a thing
na.
that starts with a letter.
Pabaya ka.
Letter W. Letter W with 5. 4.
Letter W. Wallet. 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 Wala na. Tapos na.
Ayan, next, bring me.
Bring
me
me.
a thing that starts with a letter. Letter C, as in cat and 5.
Cellphone. Cellphone.
Tatlo.
Hala.
Wala na susi.
Nakatakawa.
As in Marie.
Sobra na daw. Lahat kinain mo.
Harapan ako nilalaw kayo. Wait, no.
Ano, guys?
Bring me a name that starts with a letter. Letter Z as
Magulo
in
dito,
zebra
maingay.
and five. Suzy.
Well, nagkaroon sila ng advance celebration. Advance celebration.
Oh, don't open one.
Ayan.
Okay, next. Bring me a thing that starts with a letter. Letter A. Letter A in 5, 4, 3. Things ka na ngayon,
Hello.
Mami. Things ka na ngayon.
From Villas,
Things.
Pangasinan, hello kay Wilson. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Mami Gigi.
4.
Hi, Jansen.
Okay, wala. Okay, next.
Kumusta ka na?
Bring me a thing that starts with a letter. Letter W. Oh, ay, syempre natawag na kanina. Okay lang yan. Okay. Next one. Yan. Okay na. Okay. Next. Bring me. Okay na po. Bring me a thing that starts with a letter.